Can you believe it? Can you believe it? It's 2025 and Happy New Year to all you Solo Bro subscribers out there. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching some of my videos last year and the years before. Been here for a while, you know, but it's the start of the year, it's the 1st of January, and already the lack of motivation to get out to your bed and do things, you know, I think I'm mentally drained. I don't know, I was working Hogmanay, which is fair enough, but you know, sometimes you're just like mentally tired. I think it's just been such a long year and I was knackered. So last night I didn't celebrate the bells, I was in my bed, and then this morning I just couldn't be arsed getting up. And this morning I had things to do. Let's watch the puddles here. And I just couldn't be bothered. The lack of motivation already on the 1st of January. Terrible. And I was meant to go through to Montrose for my usual New Year's Day drinking session. But even that, it's trying to get through there. There's no public transport, so I can take my car and not drink, or take my car, leave it, stay at a friend's house or stay at a hotel. But so you get in a hotel in Montrose, £100 for a hotel. I'm not paying that for a hotel in Montrose. Sorry, I got cut off there. Yeah, it's just a hassle trying to stay somewhere, and you know what it's like. So I just decided to give Montrose a miss, give the drinking a miss today, and here I am along the cliffs in Arbroath. So come with me, and while we're here, I'm going to put in just a quick clip here of a couple of nights ago. I went for a walk after work, finished early, and the Arbroath versus Montrose football game was on. So it was actually really nice because the sun was setting, floodlights were on, and you could see, you'd hear the game taking place. So here's my little stroll past Gayfield the other night, and I'll see you after this clip. It's about a 10-minute clip, it's quite a long clip, so I'll see you shortly. It's a nice light tonight. Looks nice and cosy in there. Soon get the tables and chairs out again for the summer. This beautiful sunset, folks. It's lovely. I think they've got the Arbroath flag up, look. Oh, half a flag. I think the drums could be coming from the Montrose fans. Montrose. And casuals, is that what you call them these days? I don't know. When we were up in Montrose watching Montrose and Arbroath, we stood right beside them. That's all you got for the whole game was drums all the time. So I'm just going to walk along a little bit more. It's light tonight, it's beautiful. It's been a bit of a non-weather few days. I think tomorrow it's going to get very stormy. Then we're going to get a lot of kind of ice cold weather. A New Year and a bit of snow in the hills again. But yeah, a bit of a non-weather couple of days. So that's Gayfield just there with the lights on, and yeah, a lot of cars parked on the grass there. We'll just walk along a little bit more. It's got very cold. There's people down there with head torches on. Can you see that? I'm not sure what they're doing. But there's still people here in the mobile homes at this time of year. Sounds like there's a goal. Could be some Montrose maybe. Drums are going. Oh no, second goal for Arbroath. Yes, 2-0 Arbroath, hold on. Superb, this must be the Montrose end then. I thought this was normally the Arbroath end, unless people were too cold to clap, because it's absolutely bitter now, folks. What a view though. This is one of the best views from a stadium. So yeah, it's 2-0 folks, 2-0, that's good, good result. Looks like quite a big crowd in today though. There's the pie hut. Right, we're just going to walk around the whole stadium. Might get another goal, you never know. So yeah, do you think there's a better view from a stadium? Really? This is Arbroath Gayfield, and it's the closest stadium to the sea in the UK, I think. When the tide comes in, and the big waves sometimes, the waves can slap up against here and actually go into the stadium. I've seen it happening many a time. Many a time. So 65 minutes gone, 2-0. I'm going to walk around the whole of Gayfield. Amazing view. So this is usually the home end, no, the away end, normally. Next door, we've got Pleasureland, which is the wee theme park here. Well, I can't call that a theme park, it's just like more like a waltzes and dodge rooms and things like that. So, we'll switch off till we get around the corner. So we go down the other side. That's the front of Pleasureland, and there's Gayfield next door. It's the main stand. So Arbroath are currently top of the first division, I think, just now. They've got a good, had a good few games. They've won. They were trailing way down the bottom of the league. Got a new manager, and they're heading back up the way again. So you never know. Maybe in the championship next year, where they used to be. They were so close to going into the Premier League by 1 goal, I think. They got beat in the playoff. Right folks, we're coming down the hill now, so that's us. We're going to walk just home now, so we'll give you an update on what the score is later on. There's the sun still setting. Look at the dark clouds though. coming over. Let's see what tomorrow's weather brings. Tatty's not truly busy. Yep, very busy. I think some of the Montrose supporters are in there, giving up. Right, we've arrived at the blowhole, folks. Look at the mist coming out of the blowhole today. Spray. It's awesome. It's always better on a stormy day, but it's not bad today. I just stood there for a while, folks. I got some good, well, not good, I got some blowhole action on the for TikTok and Instagram and stuff, just like as you do. But yeah, it's not as good on a calm day like today, but see, when it's a stormy day, it's quite good to come down here. Well, it's depending on the weather. Sometimes the weather can be so stormy and so wet and so windy. Actually, hang on a second, look at this. Let's flick this around, look at this plane. Whoa. That's a fast one. Hang on a second, folks, I'll just log on and tell you where that's going. Right, that was Delta, Amsterdam going to Detroit. Just whew, right across the sky there. Just caught my eye. Oh, it is so cold now, folks. It is so cold. So I think it's time to head back, get a wee cup of coffee in the car. But yeah, I got a frostbite on my fingers. It is bitter. Oh, there's another little flume from the blowhole. So you've got to be so patient to catch it. It's just once every 10 to 15 minutes if you're lucky. But yeah, let's head back to the car, folks. We'll get a coffee. Look at that. Can you see it? You get the spray coming up from the hole. Now, can you believe actually somebody jumped, and they do on a regular basis, they jump down there. I'll try and get a photograph to put on to show you. I stood here one day and they were jumping into the blowhole. It was all kind of safe and secure. I had boats down there to catch the people when they jumped in, but not on a day like this, obviously. It was a calm day. And yeah, they stand there and do some tombstoning down into the hole. So yeah, it's a great place just to stand and watch nature. Let's try and get one more blow before we head back. Oh, so cold. No, I don't think it's going to happen. Be the usual walk away and it go bang. No, let's go back, folks. Yeah, let's head back to the car. We're getting a nice little semi-sunset there, look, behind the clouds. It's not too bad. Keep hearing the bang noise. You can actually stand over there, and I did for a while as well, but it's quite dangerous. So it is getting dark. About 4 o'clock, 3:45 now. It's getting dark. It's meant to be getting dark later. Does that make sense? Because we're past the shortest day. So it's meant to be getting longer light, but it's not yet. Obviously, you can't tell the difference. But I was watching some videos last night that just pop up on your timeline, and there was one that I did on the longest day, which was back in June the 21st, I think, and I was down the harbour at 11 o'clock at night, and it was still like light as anything, and now it's like 4 o'clock, it's black. So I can't wait for those long light nights to come back again. But yeah, as I said, next couple of days it's going to drop down to -3, -4, -5. So the cold weather, you can feel it come back in now. It's bitterly cold. I've got two t-shirts, a hoodie and a jacket on, and I'm still freezing. But yeah, as I said, let's get back to the car and catch up with you there and do a debrief. I'll get a cup of coffee. There's all the fishermen out trying to catch some fish. You always forget how high these drops are down here. You always got to be so careful and know the cliffs. You do see a lot of tourists trying to get pictures in the most unusual angles, and have seen myself a couple of times having to tell them no, 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 nada, nada, or whatever the language is. Don't go there, it is dangerous. Yeah, but you get a few stupid people though trying to climb down places to get pictures of the sea caves and things. They're very silly. Look at that though. Beautiful. Oh, I can't believe how much my nose is running. Got live snot here on Solo Bro. Right, we're nearly back at the car. Look at some nice red skies over there. Oh, there's another one. Hang on. Second plane of the day. Let's have a look and see where that one's going to. Yeah, that one. That was a Lufthansa cargo going from Frankfurt to a place called St. Lucia. Je ne sais pas. I should know that being a travel person, but Santa Lucia sounds somewhere, or St. Lucia. It's not St. Lucia, unless it actually might be. It did say St. Lucia. So it could be Caribbean, it could be South America. I don't know. Look it up, folks. St. Lucia, Lufthansa cargo plane. Yeah, it's a beautiful clear night. We did have the northern lights last night. Not here, I didn't quite see them here, but just up north a little bit, Aberdeen area. There's a beautiful aurora borealis last night. So maybe tonight the clouds are clear, blue skies at last. Nice actually to see a bit of blue sky. It's just been so grey, that grey time of year. So when the sun does come out, whew, when the blue skies come out, head out and enjoy. I must have done this walk on my vlogs so many times. Right, back at the car park now. You can tell it's getting high tide because of the tide splashing up against the walls here, look. Today's coffee is sponsored by Crispy Creme, smooth chill, and look at that little sunset going on. Beautiful. As always, folks, thank you so much for watching. We'll hopefully see you quite soon for another little video. See ya!